Hey guys, this is Jack from Geek Assets, and we are finally at the point where we're able to introduce one of our approved passive income opportunities. So over the last couple of videos that are in this playlist, we've discussed risk to reward. We've discussed the different variety of income generating opportunities. Some of them are where you purchase the crypto coins yourselves and hold on to them in your wallets in places like Coinbase or Kraken or Binance. And it's actually up to you to be able to make the decision in terms of your strategy as to when to get in and when to get out. Well, today we're going to discuss passive income opportunity number one, which is for people that don't want to trade possibly, or the way that we're going to be using DHF is it's another place to place funds. So if you're in coins and you take profit, or if you're in other passive income opportunities and you're looking for a place to make more money without having to make decisions, that's what DHF is. So we take profits out of our other areas of our portfolio, like cryptocurrency itself, and then we place a portion of them here into DHF, which is short for Decentralized Hedge Fund. So what is DHF? DHF is a completely automated algorithm or process. It is completely decentralized, which means that there's nobody behind the scenes here at DHF. DHF is essentially, the closest thing I can tell you is it's almost like a CD or a mutual fund, but nobody's running it. There's AI behind the scenes that actually do the trading. So you move funds in, and they actually produce a profit that's generated from hundreds and thousands of trades that are being done automatically for you. And this is transparent, which is why we're recommending this. This is not a black box where you don't see the trades, and I'll show you that in a minute. You will actually can go in here anytime and see the trades they're doing. So the funds actually stay in Tether, which is kind of that US, it's one of those US coins where it tracks the US dollar, and then it moves out to trade Bitcoin or Ethereum and then back to Tether. That's how it's been explained to me anyway. So as you can see on the screen, this has done 178.94 profits in the last 12 months. And I can tell you, this is the amazing thing. For January, this did 14% alone. Normally, you can expect on here, historically speaking, 9 to 12%, but the last few months, due to the increase in volatility in the cryptocurrency, there's been a tremendous amount more opportunities for trading, and it has done way more than the 9%. So this is what we would call a passive income opportunity. Essentially, you're moving your funds in, utilizing either Bitcoin or Ethereum and moving them in. So let's take a quick look at the website here. Oh, and by the way, below this video, you will see the link to get into DHF. That is our link. And the way that this works is if you use a person's link, they get a one-time entry fee, a one-time referral fee of $20. So it's not a lot of money, but it helps our channel that you're signing up with our link. And we really do appreciate that because we do need to buy some things. We are creating a website that's going to be even more activity and better communications between us and alerts for everybody that's involved with the channel. So that really helps us out. And then obviously, once you put in funds, it activates your referral link, and you can use that referral link and give it out to other people as well. And why not? Because you can then turn that $20 into more money in here. And let me tell you something, if you're the type of person that likes to play with compounding your money, DHF is the place to be. There's plenty of compound calculators all over the internet, and when you do the numbers, it's amazing what happens when you compound your money. And we can try to do that on another video just to play games with it. But when you're compounding 9, 10, 12, 14%, it's pretty amazing. So let's take a quick look at the website. And basically, this is all about financial growth. That's what they're talking about, and giving you a little bit of referral rewards. And this is completely transparent, meaning that they're showing you the trading, the trades that take place. And DHF actually combines the transparent trading with cloud computing so that the trades are automatically being done. They're using smart contracts. There's nobody running away with your money here that we're aware of, that's for sure. But we'll talk about risk at the end of this video. So 3 easy steps. You're going to use the link that's below this video. You're going to easily open up an account. There is no KYC required because, once again, you're in the crypto space here where you're a global resident, meaning that you're doing this anonymously. That's a big part of what cryptocurrency is here for you to do, is to not put your name all over the place and your social security numbers and things like that. So basically, this is an anonymous account. All right. Once you activate, oh, by the way, that's true too. So whatever you do move in here, $20 is an activation fee. So if you're moving in $100, that means that $20 is an activation fee. That's that's how they get the referral program, and the rest of it automatically goes right into your trading dashboard and shows your earnings. Okay, and we'll show you that in 1 second. And you immediately start earning using the artificial intelligence technology, the trading technology. All right, there's great videos on here to watch, so take your time. You can also get a DHF cryptocurrency debit card. We're going to go more into debit cards in another video. A lot of people have been bringing that up and asking us about that. So we're going to discuss the different debit cards to be able to utilize some of the currency you have in the real world, but not on this video. So let's go right into our dashboard. And look how simple this is. It shows our balance. DHFT is their internal token. So when you move your money in here from Ethereum or Bitcoin, it automatically translates into DHFT. DHFT is only used inside of the system. Okay, this is a brand new account. Okay, so there's no profit in this account yet. And here's the total deposit where you can see the $20 taken out. Okay. And then last month, this did 14.24% for January. So it's basically on the first of the month, the money moves. So this is not a daily payout situation like another one of the passive income opportunities we're going to be showing you in the next week or so. This is once a month. They show you the profits. So that's how that works. And obviously I have no profits. This account was set up so that I can show you. So this is a brand new account, and that's the way it works. Here's where your referral link is going to be. You do not get a referral link until you actually place funds into this, and that's basically the story. So this is very, very simple, and you can do this with a nominal amount of money. So I don't know if I can show you here. Let's go to deposits. Yeah, here we go. Okay. So as you can tell today, to start out this public account, we just started this. So this is essentially this was started today to show you. And this is how you get your address in here. You can click here and it'll give you the specific BTC address for you in DHF or ETH, okay, address here as well. All right. And you can see we put in 0.10735 Bitcoin. We moved that over from our Kraken account right here to get rolling in. And you can move from Coinbase, Kraken, or any other wallet or ledger that you may be using. There are minimums, but the minimums are very, very tiny in here. I thought I could show you that, but I don't think it's not showing it here. It did show the minimums somewhere, but the minimums are very, very small. Let's see if I can find that out for you guys. It's really tiny. Let's see. Nope. So here's the deal. You can actually move your money in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or USDT, which is that US dollar tracking like Tether. I don't think I did see it. It's in here somewhere what the minimum is, but the minimums are so small. Um, and here's basically a little information about referral rewards, the dashboard. I don't see the minimum here, but it was a. I want to say it's less than $100. Okay, it's really small. So this is basically our first passive income. You want to be careful because we do have a few other ones coming up that actually pay on a daily basis. We're introducing this one because this is kind of a backbone. It's the simplest of them all. And again, let's talk about risk. Okay, listen, here's the deal. Anyone who tells you there's no risk, you need to run the other way. All right. There's risk in everything. Nothing is paying you 10%, 14%, 15% a month without any risk whatsoever. Okay. There's trading involved here, and you're moving your coins into another account that's no longer under your control. At any time when you move your coins to something that's outside of your control, there's a level of risk. Okay. So you need to make that decision. However, this is the way we look at it. We trade crypto. We use other passive income opportunities that are bigger risk but pay us on a daily basis. We move part of those funds into DHF, which we believe is far less of a risk. So we believe DHF is not as big of a risk as some of the other things we're going to be showing you. There's not one is better than the other because as long as you're managing your risk properly, that's all that matters. So if you're making 1% a day in one of these other passive income opportunities, if you move 30 to 50% of the profits from that over to DHF, which has less risk, you're essentially managing your risk. It's the same thing here with DHF. We're looking at DHF as an amazing vehicle for compounding our money. So we're not moving funds out of DHF at this point today. We are going to be moving in and compounding our money and then pulling out in the near future. So it's a good thing to think about. I don't want to call it an exit strategy. I want to call it a risk management strategy. And you're going to have to create that for everything. So look at your whole portfolio here as one big money management tool. A piece of the pie or the graph is going to go into your individual holdings of crypto. A piece is going to go into passive income programs, some of the ones that we're going to be introducing over the next week that may have a bit higher level of risk, but you're being paid on a daily basis and it's substantial. Okay, so managing that risk, moving it to DHF, and potentially moving it into blue chip type of coins that we talk about, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, is another way to manage that risk as well. And obviously moving funds out of this market and into other markets outside of the crypto space. So that's it for today. DHF is phenomenal. DHF has been around for a while now. We believe that it's going to be around for a long time. They are rock solid. And here's the last thing I want to show you is the trading. So let's go in here and you can see this is incredible. You can actually see the real-time trades that they're doing. Okay. And some of these are just incredible trades. So they'll show you the opening price, the closing price, the fact that they just traded Ethereum at 1730. You can see this. They made, look at the percentage returns on these. Okay. And they do have losers, which is great to see that this is legit. There are losers, but look at these gains. Look at these incredible gains. It's amazing. 27, 41. Here's a 9% loser, 16% winner. And it trades because this is done with an AI and it's automated. They can trade 24/7, which is something that you and I can't do or want to do. So this is the first of our passive income opportunities. Just remember there are things coming in the next week or so. Well, we'll always be introducing new things, but there's something big coming in the next week or so that we're already involved in, but it had to shut down due to redoing some of the smart contracts that were involved. We absolutely love that opportunity. So gauge how much you're using DHF. Open up your account today. You can fund it with any of those things that we talked about. You can fund it with a small amount just to get it open. And remember, feel free to use your referral link once you're in here to help other people out and introduce other people. And we just hope that when you do that, you're also introducing other people to our YouTube channel, as well as to our newsletter that's going to be a public newsletter pretty shortly. Right now, it's only for family and friends. We'll talk more about that on the next video, and how you can get your hands on our alert system newsletter that we call the Raleigh Crypto Society, Raleigh Crypto Society. And we'll talk more about the newsletter very, very soon. So that's it for today, guys. You can find the link to join DHF in the comments below. Please use it. It really helps the channel. That extra $20 for us is going to help us to do some technology things and to make things better for you and our ability to communicate with you quicker. So that's it. That's Decentralized Hedge Fund. Another piece of the puzzle that we're putting together slowly but surely. The entire game here is simply to generate passive income on a daily, weekly, monthly, and annual basis using a variety of different tools and limiting the risk as well. Remember, we're not giving you any legal advice, financial advice, or tax advice here. We are simply educating you, and you can make the decisions on your own once you do your research. Have fun, be safe. We'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.